All right, who do we have here today?
Hi, my name is Juliana.
And?
Kelsey!
What are we doing today, guys?
We're skydiving!
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers. You trust us to throw you out of an airplane even though we just met?
Yes!
You better, because you're stuck with me.
You're a part of it.
Any last words,
you don't
final
wanna
comments,
throw yourself
confessions?
If I die, I have messages in my journal, and I love you all.
What about you?
If I ever said I loved you, I meant it.
For me, it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. Let's go have some fun. High five. Woo! All right, Juliana, you ready for this? Let's get in, let's get up, let's get out, let's go have some fun and rock and skydive.
Yeah, let's go!
Here we go, guys. Oh, yeah. Pull the right one down. Look at that camera. Smile. Oh, yeah. Pull the left one down. Yeah.
Thank you.
Takes a little help. Nice.
Yeah!
Red Hollow Reservoir. And Sangre Creek. Holy cow, what do you think?
That was amazing.
Do you have a blast?
Yeah.
It's always too short, that's why we keep doing it. Next time I'll let you open the parachute, okay?
Great.
Come back out and see me again.
Yeah.
Woo! Skydive Colorado Springs. Yeah!